Hey, hi everyone, this is Nagura. Today I am going to discuss about how Java evolved and history of Java versions. Remember guys, this one is an optional topic, so don't worry about this, feel free to learn. Just I am trying to give basic knowledge about variations from version to version. So why want to wait? Let's get into topic. Software developed in the year 1990, Sun Microsystems has released on the name of Oak, which is original name of Java. Initially, Oak is the name of Java. Scientifically, Oak is one of the tree name students. The Oak has taken 18 months to develop. The Oak is unable to fulfill all requirements of the industry. So James Gosling again reviews this Oak and released it with the name of Java in the year 1995. Scientifically, Java is one of the coffee seed name guys. Java divided into three categories. They are Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro or Mobile Edition. Java Standard Edition is used for developing client-side applications. Java Enterprise Edition used for developing server-side applications. And Java Micro or Mobile Edition used for developing mobile or wireless application by making use of predefined protocol called WAP. WAP is nothing but wireless access or application protocol. Now I am going to discuss about versions of Java. Initially, they introduced JDK 1.0 called as Oak and it is released on 23rd January 1996. After that, JDK 1.1 has introduced is released on the 19th January in the year 1997. JDK 1.1 have some features. They are JDBC. First one is JDBC. JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. JDBC is a API to connect and execute the query with the database. It is a part of Java Standard Edition. Next one is inner classes. Declared inside the class or interface is called inner class or nested class. We use inner classes to logically group classes and interfaces in one place so that it can be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of outer class, including private data members and methods. What is Java Beans? According to Java, it is a reusable software component guys. A bean encapsulates many objects into one object so that it can be accessed this object from multiple places. Moreover, it provides easy maintenance. Next one is RMI. Remote Method Invocation guys, RMI stands for. It is a mechanism that allows an object residing in one system to access or invoke. Next one is Reflection guys. Reflection is an API which is used to examine or modify the behavior of methods, classes, and interfaces at runtime. Reflection gives us information about the class to which an object belongs and also the methods of that class which can be executed by using the object. Next one is JDK 1.2 called as Playground and it is released on 8th December in the year 1998. They have some features like collection framework. So what is collection? Why the purpose of collection? And what is framework? What is the purpose of framework? So collection guys. Collection is simply an object that groups multiple elements into a single unit. Framework. A framework provides ready-made architecture and represents a set of classes and interfaces. Next one is Java string memory map for constants. The Java string constant pool is an area in a heap memory where Java stores literal string values. What is heap guys? The heap is an area of memory used for runtime operations. When a new variable is created and given a value, Java checks to see if the exact value exists in the pool or not. Next one is just-in-time compiler, guys. You can also call as JIT compiler. The just-in-time JIT compiler is a component of the runtime environment that improves the performance of Java applications by compiling the bytecode to native machine code at runtime. When a method has been compiled, the JVM calls the compiled code of that memory directly instead of interpreting it. Jar signer for signing jar achieve jar files. A jar is a package file format typically used to aggregate many Java class files and associated metadata and resources into one file for distribution. Jar files are archive files that include a Java specific manifest file. Policy tool for granting access to system resources, Java Foundation classes JFC, which consist of Swing 1.0, drag and drop, and Java 2D class libraries. And the next feature is Java plugin. What is Java plugin, guys? It extends the functionality of a web browser, allowing applets or Java beans to run under Sun's Java to Run environment, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Rather than the Java Runtime Environment that comes with a web browser, Java plugin is a part of Sun's JRE and is installed with it. The JRE is installed on a computer. Scrollable result sets, blub, club, batch update, user defined types in JDBC. blub and club have some kind of importance in JDK 1.2, guys. Now I'm going to give some brief explanation about what is blub, what is the purpose of blub, like that, what is club and what is the purpose of that. So blub is a binary large object that can hold a variable amount of data with a maximum length of 65,535 characters. blub is used to store large amounts of binary data such as images or other type of files. What is club? Club is a built-in type that stores a character large object as a column value in a row of a database table. Methods in the interface result set, callable statement, and pre-prepared statement allow a programmer to access the SQL3 type club in the same way that more basic SQL types are accessed. The last feature which is available in 1.2 is audio supports in applets. Audio enhancements includes a new sound engine and support for audio in applications as well as applets. Java Sound supports the following audio file formats. They are AIFF, AU and WAV. That's enough for this lecture, guys. We will meet in another one. This course was very simple to learn. Just we wanted to believe ourselves and keep doing hard work, guys. We will definitely get success. Bye.